Hello everyone, today marks the end of our 2 days Advanced Airway workshop happening right here at the region's Advanced Airway Laboratory and Training Center. Each participant were taught about the oxygen delivery devices, supraglottic airway devices, the direct laryngoscopes, and the video laryngoscopes. They were also taught to know how to effectively bag a patient when faced in an emergency situation. Now, moving forward, when they are faced with these emergency situations, they can be able to effectively secure the patient's airway, thereby saving that one life. All this wouldn't have been possible without the collaboration of Regions Healthcare with the Airway Development Incorporated and the Society of Specialists in Airway Management. We especially thank everyone who made this a success. Stay tuned for more to come from the Region's Advanced Airway Laboratory and Training Center. Thank you.